Good evening everyone, and tonight on our video, let's continue counting in Ilocano, and we already did 1 to 10 and 11 to 20. So tonight, let's do 21 to 30. Let's start. Before we start, if you haven't seen 1 to 10 and 11 to 20, you can find the link down below so you can see the video. And we've learned that 20 is 20. So now let's start. Let's say that this little finger here is 21. So 21, 20 ket may isa. 20 ket may isa. 20 ket may isa, 21. And 22, 20 ket 2. 23, 20 ket 3. 24, 20 ket 4. And 25, 20 ket 5. 20 ket 6. 20 ket 7. 20 ket 8. 29, 20 ket 9. And 30, to say 30, 30. 30. Okay, let's do it again one more time. 21. 20 ket may isa. 22. 20 ket 2. 23. 20 ket 3. 24. 20 ket 4. 25. 20 ket 5. And 26, 20 ket 6. 27, 20 ket 7. And 28, 20 ket 8. 29, 20 ket 9. And 30, 30. 30. So that's 20 to 30, and next video we're going to do 30 to 40. Bye bye.